Look at this one.
It's bigger than you.
It's bigger than you are. Look at that bow. Wow, it's as big as your head. Shiny. Yeah, big. What's that on your head?
Oh, it's not on the...
What's that on your head?
It's going to hurt when it comes off, probably.
Right in. Look at the shiny. Look at all the shiny. Whoa, what